అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మన మూవీ బ్లాస్ట్ మే 28న థియేటర్లో రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. మీరందరూ థియేటర్కి వచ్చే సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వండి అండ్ థియేటర్కి వచ్చే చూడండి, సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వండి. I've had a blast working on this project, and I saw in the Telugu version of the trailer, all of you had given a lot of love actually for our trailer, and I feel like this movie will really work with the Telugu audiences. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how you guys receive it, and yeah, thank you to Sitara Entertainments. I'm doing another Telugu film here, so thank you for trusting our film and releasing it here, and I'm really happy to be here.
యా ఆవిడ ఫిల్మోగ్రఫీలో రిలీజ్ అయిన సినిమాలు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో రిలీజ్ కాబోతున్న సినిమాలు దానికంటే ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. సో వీఆర్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ యాజ్ వెల్. బట్ టెల్ మీ ప్రీతి, ఇప్పుడు మీరు డెఫినెట్గా యూ మైట్ హ్యావ్ డన్ సో మచ్ వర్క్ ఆన్ దిస్ మార్షల్ ఆర్ట్స్ fights and all even before going the sets, but
yes.
You have Phoenix Prabhu garu also helping,
yes.
But యాక్షన్ కింగ్ గా పిలుచుకునే అర్జున్ గారితో పాటు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసుకుంటూ ఫైట్స్ చేయడంలో ఆ కిక్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Arjun sir's kicks, his look itself is so powerful. There's so much intensity and power in that one look. I remember one of the trailer shots we shot on the first day of the shoot, and we were all like behind the camera, we were like, how did he just casually pull out such an intense look? And his moves are like sharp, like chack, like every hit will look so perfect. But he's so careful and sweet even to the fighters.
Oh, no?
I saw he's like very. I understand he's worked for so many years, but he was so like he would tell them, the fighters, like, you be careful, don't do something dangerous, and he'd always say like, no, I can't do this, I can't do that, this is not safe enough for even the other people. So I really appreciate that. Yeah,
I think that is one of those learnings from
definitely
Arjun garu in this film. Superb.
Yeah.
Yes, marini questions obvious ga ma media friends adugutaru, so I request you to please have your seats.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.